Let's discuss the 5173 accessory kit for the 5280 and the 6280. First thing I do is get a good pair of leather gloves. You're going to flip this over and look for the open tab here. Well, there you go. Start it out. Put my gloves back on. We're going to open up the original factory packaging. So in the 5280 and 6280 accessories kit, you're going to get a 5x6 blade, a 3x12 blade, a 3x10 blade, and a 3x6 blade. You're also going to get a 3x10 blade. We'll start with the 3x12 blade. I'll take off the protector. This is a bevel up blade, and it's a self-scoring blade designed for removing carpet, sports flooring, any solid sheet flooring that needs to be cut up in strips. You're also going to get two 10-inch blades, which are great for removing VCT, LVT, any kind of soft goods, re-scraping a glue. The main difference between these two blades is this is a .062 blade, this is a .094 blade. The .094 blade is a thicker, heavier, dutier blade that's going to last longer, keep a sharper edge longer, and it's just a more quality because there's more material there. It's also more cost effective, but it's also a lot less rigid than the .062 blades. The other two blades that you're going to get are both of these 6-inch blades, and they're both .062. These are also designed for taking up any kind of soft goods such as VCT, re-scraping a glue, some epoxies, anything that's a soft good, because you don't have to remove it in strips like you would with a self-scoring blade. The longer blades are usually better and more effective at removing larger glued down sheet goods. The shorter blades are designed for materials that are shorter or smaller. The difference between a 6 and a 10-inch blade is a 6-inch blade is typically, if the material that is being removed is adhered to the floor really well, you want a smaller blade, shorter length, so you get more head pressure per square inch. With a longer blade, if the material is not as affixed to the floor as well, if it's just laying there, just not super well bonded, a longer length blade will actually work really well. If you find with a 10 or a 12-inch blade or a longer blade that you're popping up over the material or your production's really slow, switch to a 6-inch blade, and a lot of times your production will actually increase a lot, even though it's a narrow length blade.